Hey, can I take my camera? So tell me more. Yeah. You going for it? Hey, oh, hey, huh? You little rascal. Gotta get out of your reach. Lovely. Come. Hey, oh, huh? Hey. God bless you, lovely. God bless you. God bless you. So tell me more. Tell me more, love bugs. Hey, oh, hey. That's good, lovely. Lovely. Hey, oh, hey, ah, oh, ah. Come, Lily, I'm going to show this to you one day when you're all grown up. And we're going to be able to look at this and laugh, and I'll probably cry because you're so beautiful. Remembering you. So small and perfect. How you wanted the camera so badly. What are you going to do with the camera if I give it to you? I'm going to try to eat it. Ah, look at that mouth. Ah, going in the mouth. Mama? Lovely. Lovely. Look at your little crazy feet. Look how active you are. And this is your room. That's fallen back there, but... And your little unicorn. And your little brush. Oh, the diapers. Oh, so many diapers. And look, one day this is going to be all filled in. This first year frame. Right now nothing's in there yet, but you're at this point right here, you're at 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have all these to go. I think one day these are all going to be filled up. It's a serious moment. This is a serious moment. Oh. Can you say, Mommy? Lovely. 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 Can you say, Mommy? Can you say, Mommy? Stretching. Well, that's good. That's a good try. We'll try again later, okay? Beautiful. Love you so much. Okay, love you. Mwah. Going in for the kisses. Mwah. Going in for the kisses. Mwah. Watch out for the mouth.